Welcome to Best India Reviews. If you want the best product at the right price, you're in the right place. Let's get into it.
In this video, we will share the best coffee makers you can buy in India. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel and support us for more helpful videos. We will start from the last pick and move up to the best one. Please check the video description for the product links and latest prices. We have analyzed and compared many coffee makers and picked these top options for you based on our research and analysis. In this video, we have highlighted the key features and benefits of each coffee makers so you can easily compare them and choose the one that suits your needs. To know the product price details, please see the video description. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Let's discuss what are the key things to consider when buying a coffee maker. First, think about the type of coffee you enjoy most, as different machines are made for espresso, drip, or single-serve brewing. Next, consider the size and capacity that fits your daily routine and kitchen space. Look at the brewing speed and ease of use, especially if you need quick coffee on busy mornings. Check the maintenance needs, such as cleaning frequency and filter replacement. Energy efficiency and programmable features can add convenience and save time. Lastly, compare prices, reliability, and warranty to ensure long-term value. Making the right choice means balancing your lifestyle, taste, and budget for the perfect cup every day. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful reviews and guides.